Welcome to Advanced Copilot at Work, episode 2 of 30, where we dive into advanced features to supercharge your productivity. In this series, we go beyond the basics to uncover the true power of Copilot in your daily work. We are excited to share episode 2, continuing our journey into maximizing your Copilot experience. Today, we're focusing on deep integration capabilities, specifically how Copilot interacts with your complex project data. Let's start with a key feature demonstration. Leveraging Copilot to analyze and summarize project data across multiple files instantly. The core is using custom prompts for deep integration. This means telling Copilot exactly how to cross-reference information from different project sources for powerful insights. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, clearly define your project scope to Copilot. Then, specify the various data sources, and finally, refine your query for the most precise results. Now let's see this in action with a practical use case example. Imagine you need to quickly assess the impact of a code change across development, testing, and documentation. Copilot handles this complex task by synthesizing data from all three areas. Observe the before and after. Manual assessment could take hours, but Copilot delivers a comprehensive summary in minutes, significantly boosting efficiency. Time for some pro tips and tricks to get the most out of this advanced feature. Advanced best practices include creating templated custom prompts for recurring tasks and tagging your project files clearly for easier access by Copilot. Avoid these common pitfalls. Don't use vague prompts. Always give Copilot enough context and never skip reviewing the final output for accuracy. That brings us to the conclusion of today's episode. Today we learned how deep integration and custom prompts transform Copilot into a powerful project analysis tool, delivering efficiency and detailed insights. Join us next time for episode 3 of 30, where we will explore advanced data manipulation and visualization with Copilot. See you soon.